Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I wanted an intimate, rustic setting for our vow renewal in our backyard. This is the setup that I came up with, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you watch all the way till the end so you can see how I decorated our reception table. My budget was extremely tight, so everything that I've used today, either I had on hand, I DIY'd, or purchased at the Dollar Tree. Today's video is part of a collaboration, the idocrew, hosted by Creations by Simone. Links to her channel, as well as all my co-hosts, will be in my description box below. So make sure you visit the playlist and get some awesome wedding inspiration. We had absolutely beautiful weather this day, and our fair turned out lovely. So let me tell you about some of the things I've used. The gold chargers are from Dollar Tree, as well as the white and gold plates. The ferns grow wild in my yard, so they were absolutely free. The clear glasses I purchased at the thrift store for 99 cents each. And these gold candlesticks I thrifted, as well as the candles. My centerpiece lantern was a DIY with supplies I purchased all at the Dollar Tree, as well as the florals. And tablecloths, napkins, and chair covers I already had on hand. On the back of my chairs, I hung mason jars filled with bee's breath, and those were a DIY. And that's it. Everything else I had on hand or DIY'd. Those chunky candle holders were also a DIY. So I hope you enjoyed what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration and shows you how you can do an intimate backyard wedding on a budget using Dollar Tree and thrifted items. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much, Simone from Creations by Simone, for putting on this awesome collab. Please make sure you stop by her channel and show her some love and let her know that Amethyst sent you. Links to her channel as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So stop by the playlist for some wedding decorating inspiration. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time.